Sanctuary. A place of refuge and protection. In an ever-evolving world, there are places that remain special to us. Places we feel that we can escape to. Places we feel we can forget what surrounds us. In our ever-busy lives, we cherish these sanctuaries. In our busy areas, these sanctuaries are far and few in between. As we grow, we understand these places are meaningful, beautiful, and worth fighting for. These places are worth preserving. This place is worth preserving. Take a journey with us as we explore Kalamazoo, Michigan, and Asylum Lake Nature Preserve. Today we are in Kalamazoo, a small city on the southwest side of Michigan, on our way to Asylum Lake Nature Preserve. Our journey started on Western Michigan University's campus. As we neared the preserve, we passed by Western Michigan Psychiatric Hospital, which is quite distinguishable by its medieval-styled water tower. We neared closer to our destination and spotted Little Asylum Lake in the distance.
Is it right here?
The Yellow Trail consists of meadows and woodlands. Here you can find white oaks, red oaks, bur oaks, and maple trees in abundance. What up? We're here, Asylum Lake Nature Preserve, a beautiful, beautiful haven in southwest Michigan, and we're gonna be going on 4 or 5 trails today, babe?
Yeah.
And we're gonna take you on a little journey. Again, we're here, it's beautiful. Beginning of February, we haven't had a sunny day here in Kalamazoo in a whole month. And perfect day to be out here. Excited to take you on a journey. The man-made resident cottages and other buildings from the Asylum Psychiatric Hospital era in the late 1800s, located in the northern half, have been mostly reclaimed by nature, although you can still see some remnants of where structures once stood. Squirrels, chipmunks, foxes, opossums, skunk, and deer claim this portion of the trail as their home and are often sighted around the Yellow Trail. So it's still basically winter here in Michigan, and it's beautiful because as you see, the ground here is just absolutely still frozen. Let's see if we can get a good shot of this. As you can see, it's just laden with these
crystalline stuff way down there. Looks insane as you get closer. Pretty picturesque.
Man, this place is beautiful. Old, lot of history here. It's my first time being out here. I'm excited to explore some more. As we see, we're in the savanna prairie area right now. But as we get closer to the forest, I'm sure we'll see more about the history of this place. From what I hear, there's an asylum that used to be built here that ran back in, gosh, whenever it was open. So,
1800s.
1900s? Is that what you're saying? 1800s?
Late 1800s.
Wow. And there's still ruins here. So we'll show you. We'll get there. As we made our way further down the yellow trail, we spotted some familiar friends in the field, a group of white-tailed deer. Alright, as we were walking up this hill, there's a whole pack of deer on the other side. Very excited.
Why don't we move up? It's a very fucking awesome shot.
Oh, they're leaving, I think. All three of them shot.
Huh?
All three of them are in shot.
They're so pretty.
I like the little ones.
Oh, there's
After watching the white-tailed deer snacking in the forest, we moved forward, only stopping to take a moment to appreciate the beautiful flora of the region. The tree, covered in a variety of moss and lichen, livened up and otherwise brightened the washed-out landscape.
Man, look at that green spot right there. That's cool. So the deer were like essentially like
Still
right over here. Yeah.
They're still behind that tree. They're scratching themselves.
Oh, I can't even see them. They blend in so well. Yeah, it's a pretty sight. That's beautiful.
Looking forward, we headed towards the tree line of the forest.
That's pretty over there. We'll probably come back.
starting to enter the forest here. And if you look around, look at all these trees. It's the middle of winter and some of these trees still have leaves on them. I'm intrigued to know what type of trees these are. Kind of looking over here. Yeah, like right over there, there's a cluster of trees. They all have leaves on them. Like this forest came out of nowhere, and it's so weird to see trees with so many leaves on them in the winter. Nice. We also came across some lean-tos in the forest that some squirrels were hanging out in. At the northernmost point of the yellow trail, an interesting knocking noise made us pause to take a look around for the source. Sounds like he's right here, huh?
Yeah.
That's crazy. We found a red-bellied woodpecker hopping around looking for its next meal. Yeah, we're getting some great shots here. Wow. We made our way off the yellow trail and began our exploration of the green trail.
I feel like every person in this park would have thanked me for it too.
The Green Trail consists of meadows and savanna ecosystems. Prescribed burns are enacted to help keep invasive species in check and allow the native flora to flourish.
Thanks for heads up.
Rough up shot. That background is so pretty, dude.
Yeah.
Squish, squish, squish. Oh. What do you think?
There's the lake. We made it. You want to get in the shot?
Oh, I'm way too close.
Oh, there we got a little buddy over there.
Oh, man's huffing him.
Yeah, he's straight chilling now.
He sees us and he's scared.
What up, little buddy?
He's so cute.
Chipmunk, look at that stripe down, a little racer. But then again, we right here by the lake. Beautiful.
Cool little tree. Look at this thing. Top over. Well, what do you think it's so snapping around like that? I mean, the hell shot was pretty simple. Can take a video. Something feels so good. It's crazy how that sun will just warm it right up. Yeah. It smells like. What's that smell?
I can't smell shit.
As we walked deeper into the Green Trail,
Yeah.
we came across another avian companion,
It's a shot, right?
the downy woodpecker. It is known as the smallest woodpecker in the United States at 6.75 inches.
What do you think? Eating time? Take a little break? Take a break?
Yep.
Here, set that stuff up here.
All day. Look at what we got. Some food for us. Take a little break. So we'll hold that energy drink up too. Something to keep us going.
our snack break, we made our way off the green trail and on to the blue trail that runs parallel to Asylum Lake.
You scared me. By the edge of the water. You're standing still. Big one right in front of us. It is a big tree. This lake is pretty.
What do you think that really is for? Do you think it's marking something? Or do you think it's just... Oh my god. Let's probably find it for all day, huh?
Further down the blue trail, we spotted our first mushrooms of the day.
Finally spotted our first mushrooms, and man, they are old. Whoa! I think we actually made pretty decent time for what we talked about last night. I think we probably be out right. We probably spent about an hour on each part of the trail. I'm surprised that SD card left.
We spotted a larger cluster of fungus growing up the tree.
More mushrooms, finally!
We also found some age-old puffballs sprouting on a decaying log.
Go smack those things. Some puffballs. Go poke them. Boop, boop, boop. You hear that?
Hearing that familiar knocking, we paused to look around for where it was coming from.
Gosh, you should see this.
Again, we spotted a red-bellied woodpecker, pecking for another snack.
Donk, donk. Donk, donk, donk.
Bro, I'm having a migraine for a week.
Bro, look at his head.
He's slamming it in.
You gonna climb up there? Squirrel.
He seems to have found his breath. Yeah, like pickles.
a good shot. So pretty.
Continuing forward, we arrived at the most renowned portion of the park, a beaver lodge, nestled on the edge of the cove of the lake. The trees have been nibbled through by the beavers, with wood chips surrounding the base of the trees.
Yeah. Sport.
We passed two other hikers who allowed us to enjoy some ice-on-ice action.
Nice.
It's sick.
There's trails crisscrossing all throughout here. I feel like they should update that, huh? Just a little bit. Look at people coming from up there. Ooh, massive.
We rounded back to the Red Trail, adjacent to Little Asylum Lake, marking the end of our journey.
That's a nice place. What? Yeah.
Alas, our adventure to Asylum Lake Nature Preserve has come to a close. What up, you beautiful people? Thank you for tuning into the debut episode of Natural Michigan here on Mystic 8 Studios' new channel. Hope you enjoyed this bit of content. I'm excited to give you more, but in order to do that, I need you to head over to our Patreon and become a subscriber. This helps keep this content coming out to you and keeping it ad-free all while doing it. We got a lot of benefits for you Patreon subscribers and exclusive tier members. So go ahead and check out again our Patreon right here. And I look forward to seeing you in a few more episodes coming soon.